How to set alarm on Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, drag the app list and here you can see the option of clock. So simply select on the clock option. As you tap on the clock option, you can see there are different menus at the bottom of the screen, from alarm, clock, stopwatch to timer. So simply, as we want to set alarm, we're going to tap on alarm and here you can see the plus icon at the bottom right corner. So select on the plus icon. Now, if you want to set the alarm for 7 a.m., so what you can simply do is tap on 7 and 0, then tap on AM. And here you can select the ringtone as well. So already I've selected the ringtone over here. Then tap on repeat on where you would want to get your alarm repeated once or daily or Monday to Friday or custom. So I'm going to select on once only over here. Then go back. Then you can vibrate when alarm sounds, delete after goes off, and so on. After that, you can just tap on the check mark at the top right, and there you go. You have set an alarm on Xiaomi phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.